In this video, I want to show you how to set the origin using the camera on the Solo. So I'm using a mat, and I put my material on the mat, and I used the grid lines, but I covered them up. And reason being is the camera is black and white, and I didn't want to confuse the black line on the grid to the black part of my material. All right, so once I did that, then I come over to the panel and I click on Set, Camera, and click OK. And what that's going to do is take a picture. All right, so if I get really close here, you'll see that there's a red crosshair down here. I need that to be as close to the corner of my material as possible, so I can use the arrows here. I can zoom in by hitting the ×3, and I'm going to go ahead and move this down and move this over and then zoom back out, and then I'm going to click OK again and see that the blue dashed lines, don't worry about the red one this time, the blue dashed lines are at the edge of my material. So that's all it takes. Just hit home and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.